Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy, Accord YouTube channel for GATE and DSC. This is your KP Sir live on YouTube channel. Before going to start today's session, I would like to introduce myself, Krishna Prakash. Students love to call me EE Sir. I was very much famous for environmental engineering. So students love to call me EE Sir or KP Sir. I have 16 years of teaching experience. Trained more than 150 batches for GATE, ESC and also state government AE A-double exams. And I am the ex-faculty of ACE Academy. Now star educator in Unacademy and leading English teaching faculty of civil engineering group. So I will take care everything regarding your scheduling, subjects. I will take care about your preparation. And in Unacademy, I am going to teach the subjects environmental engineering, hydrology, irrigation, open channel flow, construction materials and management. I am famous for simplifying the subjects and I will provide you shortcut formulas which can be solved in the GATE exam in 1 minute or less than 1 minute time duration. And the vast and lengthy theoretical subjects, I will make it easy for you by providing tables, by providing flowcharts, some diagrammatic representation, so that huge theory easily understand for you. I am famous for monitoring, mentoring student preparation, best motivator. So if you want, I will provide you best strategy according to your strengths and weakness. So follow me in Unacademy and watch my free lectures. Check my profile KP Civil. Watch all free classes. If you want to take plus subscription, join Unacademy with my code KP Civil. Anything related to your academics, your career, your subject related doubts, preparation related doubts, anything, contact me, WhatsApp me. My mobile number given there, 8985931112. And if you want to take full length course on Unacademy, use my code KP Civil or Engineering Guru. Okay, let's begin the session. Now coming to the today's session, it is regarding 2018 GATE Civil Engineering Open Channel Flow Questions Solution. In 2018 GATE, the most complicated questions from open channel flow given. Lot of confusion, critical questions. So I will make it very simplified to you. This critical questions and confusion questions, I will make it very clear and simple for you. So let us learn it. We'll go ahead. Now open channel flow GATE 2018 questions we are solving. First question. A 10 meter wide rectangular channel with 10 meters B 10 meter carries a discharge of 20 meter cube per second. We'll write down. B is equal to 10 meter. Q discharge is equal to 20 meter cube per second. Under critical condition, very important. Under critical condition for critical flow. The question is regarding for critical flow condition for critical flow. Using G is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. Nothing but acceleration due to gravity. 9.81 meter per second square. The specific energy in meter. The specific energy in meter up to 2 decimal places. Up to 2 decimal places. Specific energy will consider EC. Specific energy for critical flow. So that will take EC. Clear? Specific energy for critical flow under critical condition we take it as EC. That EC is equal to 3 by 2 YC. that EC is equal to 3 by 2 YC. What about YC? How can you take YC now? So YC, critical flow depth. Critical flow depth is required to estimate critical energy. So critical flow depth YC is equal to Q square by GB square whole power 1 by 3. Q square by GB square whole power 1 by 3, that is critical depth YC. Now critical energy EC, how can you write down? 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into Q square by GB square whole power 1 by 3. Critical energy EC is equal to 3 by 2 into critical depth YC. YC is Q square by GB square whole power 1 by 3. Just formula substitution. 3 by 2. Discharge 20 meter cube per second 20 square. G 9.81. B 10 meter 10 square whole power 1 by 3. Just substitute and calculate. You will get the answer. Just substitute and calculate minimum energy. You will get the answer. Simple, very simple. So 1.112 meter. This is the answer. 1.112 meter. That is the answer. So 2 decimal place 1.11 you give here. 2 decimal place 1.11 meter you can give. The only thing you need the final formula. EC is equal to 3 by 2 into Q square by GB square whole power 1 by 3. Q square by GB square whole power 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. That is critical energy. 1.11 meter. Okay, we'll move on to next question. So this is 1 mark question. So this much complicated model they have given for 1 mark. So you expect what is the difficulty in 2 marks? I will show you. One more 1 mark question. For a given discharge in an open channel, there are 2 depths which have the same specific energy. These 2 depths are known as 2 depths with the same specific energy. What we call it as alternate depths. 2 depths with the same specific energy. 2 depths with the same specific energy. That is called alternate depth. That is your answer. Over. Alternate depth. 2 depths with the same specific energy. What we call alternate depths. Over. That is only answer. The 2 depths which have same specific energy, we call it as alternate depths. What is critical depth? What is critical depth? The depth at which specific energy is minimum. The depth at which specific energy is minimum. That is called critical depth. The normal depth. Normal depth is regular flow depth of uniform flow. Flow depth of a channel during uniform flow. Flow depth is called normal depth. Sequent depth. Sequent depth is also called conjugate. Both are same. Sequent depths or conjugate depths. The 2 depths. 2 different depths, but with the same, what same? Same specific force. 2 depths with the same specific force. That is called conjugate depth or sequent depth. Specific energy is the same, that is alternate depth. Specific force is same, that is sequent depth. Our question is about the specific energy. Answer is alternate depths. Okay. We'll move on. Wow, very big question, 2 marks question. 2 marks question. Variation of water depth Y in a gradually varied open channel flow is given by first order differential equation. dy by dx is equal to 1 minus e power minus 10 by 3 ln y divided by 250 minus 45 e power minus 3 ln y. We'll write down the differential equation first. dy by dx is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1 minus e power minus 10 by 3 ln y. 10 by 3 into ln into y divided by 250 minus 45 into e power minus, what is minus? 3 into ln y. 3 into ln y. 3 into ln y. dy by dx is equal to 1 minus e power minus 10 by 3 ln y divided by 250 minus 45 into e power minus 3 ln y. Given initial condition, y is equal to 0.8 meter at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0.8 meter. For example, you are plotting the graph. On graph at x-axis, this is x is equal to 0. Na? X is equal to 0. This is x-axis, x is equal to 0. This is y-axis. What is y then? Y is equal to 0.8 meter. So at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0.8 meter. Exactly. At x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0.8 meter exactly. So now you substitute in this differential equation, first order differential equation. At x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0.8 meter. What they mentioned? The depth of flow at the downstream section at x is equal to 1. You need to determine depth of flow y. Depth of flow y at x is equal to 1 meter. From one calculation step of single step Euler method. From one calculation step of single step Euler method. For this, first of all, you need to know whether the graph is a falling graph or rising graph. Well, while the flow profile, whether it is a rising profile or falling profile, using this differential equation. You need to understand whether flow profile is rising or falling. So substitute here. dy by dx at x is equal to 0, that is equal to 1 minus e power minus 10 by 3 ln, what is y? Y is given at x is equal to 0, y is 0.8 divided by 250 minus e power minus 3, what is y again? ln into 0.8. So at dy by dx at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0.8. If you substitute, what you are getting? The numerator is minus 1.104 divided by denominator value 162.1. Calculate the final value. dy by dx at x is equal to 0. dy by dx at x is equal to 0 minus 0.0068. So minus, what the minus will represent? Flow profile is a falling profile. Water flow condition, open channel flow profile is taken as a falling profile. So it is falling from 0.8. It is a falling profile from 0.8. Consider this is 1 meter. X is equal to 1 meter. Then what you need? Tell me what you need. You need this depth, this y value required. What is this y value? So for falling profile, according to Euler's single step method, what we take? For falling profile, according to Euler's single step profile, why we are taking falling profile? Because dy by dx is a negative. Remember, we are considering falling profile because dy by dx is equal to negative. So by single step process, dy by dx is equal to y minus 0.8 by 1. dy by dx is equal to y minus 0.8. Here y minus 0.8. What is 0.8? 0.8 is y at x is equal to 0. Divided by 1. What is 1? X is equal to 1 meter. So what you are getting actually dy by dx value? Actually dy by dx value. What is actually dy by dx value? We solved already previously. See. Minus 0.0068. Minus 0.0068. Clear? Is it clear? Y minus 0.8 by 1, that is equal to minus 0.0068. Now solve for y value. Y is equal to 0.8 minus 0.0068. What you will get? 0.792 meter. This is the answer. 0.792 meter. So what you will take here? Depth of flow at x is equal to 1 meter. This is equal to 0.792 meter. Depth of flow at x is equal to 1 is equal to 0.792. We'll take 0.792 meter is your answer. So see, that much complicated. Differential equation provided. Single step Euler method is applied. Mathematics is applied here. And finally you are first deriving falling profile. First you are deriving falling profile. And finally you are going for determining depth of flow at x is equal to 1 meter. The depth of flow is 0.792 meter. Clear? So what is this? Depth of flow. 0.792 meter is depth of flow. Yet x is equal to 1 meter. What is the depth of flow? 0.792 meter. 0.792 meter. Is it clear for everyone? Shall we move on to next one? Yes, this is also somewhat little more complicated to you. Again 2 marks question. So 3 marks in set 1 as well as 3 marks in set 2. 1 mark question, 1 2 marks question. Total 3 marks. 2018 GATE open channel flow. 3 marks in set 1 as well as 3 marks in set 2. 5 meter wide rectangular channel. So we'll take, this is the rectangular channel. We'll consider this is the rectangular channel. 5 meter wide. The velocity u distribution in the vertical direction y is given by U is equal to 1.25 into y power 1 by 6. So velocity distribution in vertical direction 1.25 into y power 1 by 6. The distance y is measured from channel bed. Y is measured from the bed of the channel. Generally from where we measure? Tell me. Generally depth is measured from where? From the free surface. Depth is measured from free surface. But according to this equation, y is from channel bed. Remember this point. I will again repeat it. Flow depth is 2 meter. Flow depth is given. Water flow depth is given as 2 meter. Discharge per unit width of the channel is. Discharge per unit width of the channel is a small q required. Small q required. Discharge is based on, you need q first of all. So discharge is based on average velocity. The discharge of a open channel is based on its average velocity. So where average velocity occurs? At what flow depth average velocity takes place? Average velocity lies at 0.6 times of depth of flow. Here average velocity of flow occurs at 0.6 times of depth of flow. From where you measured? From free surface. When you measure depth of flow from free surface, then at 0.6 times of depth of flow, average velocity. But now it was given from bed. From bed, where it is available? From bed, we can take 1 minus 0.6. 0.4 into depth of flow from bed. You understand why I am taking 0.4? Previously also I told you. Generally we measure the depth of flow from the top free surface. Now the data is provided, clearly mentioned, from channel bed. So if you are measuring from channel bed, 1 minus 0.6. Depth of flow from channel bed. Depth of flow from channel bed you can consider. Depth of flow from channel bed you can consider. Now what is average velocity now? U average is equal to average velocity according to given equation, provided an equation. 1.25 into y power 1 by 6. 1.25 into, what is y? 0.4 times of total depth, 2 meter. 0.4 into 2 whole power 1 by 6. You got it? Given equation for the average, 1.25 into y power 1 by 6. Now y is 0.4 times of total depth. 0.4 into 2 total depth whole power 1 by 6 into 1.25. What is velocity you are getting? 1.204 meter per second. Regarding question is regarding small q, discharge per unit width, q by d. Discharge per unit width, q by d, which is taken as y into u average. We'll write it down like this. Small q is discharge per unit width, q by b. The same we can consider depth of flow into average velocity. Depth of flow to average velocity 1.204. So what is the answer you are getting? Simple multiplication, just multiplication. After total analysis, 2.408 meters. So you understand? Answer is 2.408. The only thing what the students will do the mistake, they blindly take 0.6 into y. Don't take 0.6 into y, take 0.4 into y. That is only the twist in the question. That is only twist in the question. Answer is 2.4 meter cube per second per meter. You got the clarity? One and very important, y is measured from the channel bed, not from free surface. All our formulas are given from free surface. But here in this question, GATE 2018, they mentioned y is measured from channel bed. This is very, very important. So I have made it both complicated questions very easy and simple for you. One is instead of 0.6 here, you take 1 minus 0.6, 0.4. Second one, previous question, substituting single step Euler method differential equation. Simply I have taken dy by dx is equal to y minus 0.8 by 1. Simple. Easily we calculate the answer. Got it? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the session. Before going to close the session, a small announcement. Join plus subscription full-length course of GATE and ESE and Unacademy. Trust the best for your GATE and ESE preparation. The faculty in Unacademy are top-most faculty. They will give you the best subject, in-depth subject knowledge, and also they have vast experience in teaching, especially GATE and ESE, exam-specific teaching. And the platform of Unacademy is the largest online edutech company in India. It provides live interactive classes. Whatever your doubt, if you put in the comment box, easily, immediately your doubt is clarified. Have you downloaded Unacademy app? If not, today download the Unacademy app. In the search button, click KP Civil, follow me, watch my previous sessions and upcoming sessions also. Whatever your doubts easily clarified immediately within 1 minute of your message. You understand? Live interactive sessions. If you take a plus subscription in Unacademy, I will provide from my side free study material. I will provide from my side one free online test series. Unacademy is giving you one test series. Myself will provide you another test series. 2 online test series you will get. And also, if you miss the session, don't worry. Your already completed class is recorded. You can watch twice, thrice, how many number of times you require. That many times. Just for example, I will tell you. I am teaching environmental engineering 140 hours. You can understand the depth of subjects I am providing. The depth of environmental engineering 140 hours, you can write any kind of examination from that 140 hours only. It may be GATE, IAS, AE, AW, whatever the exam you can write. That 140 hours sessions is more than enough. A single solution for any kind of examination. So, join Unacademy, excel your GATE and ESE preparation, use my code KP Civil or Engineering Guru, take plus subscription, get all the benefits. If you have any doubt, any query related to subject point of view, career point of view, preparation strategy point of view, any doubts related to plus subscription, whom to follow, whom not to follow, what to study, what not to study, don't worry, your KPs are with you till you crack GATE and ESE. WhatsApp me, my mobile number is given there, 8985931112. We together grow up. I am with you, my team of faculty with you till you crack GATE and ESE. Then, why to wait? Join plus course in Unacademy using KP Civil code. Let's crack it.